Welcome everyone. This is a quick channel update as there is nothing major to report. I've mentioned in previous videos the seemingly endless delays to obtaining the upgraded engine parts. The delays continue. Unfortunately, the gent responsible for these redesigned engine spares is in his 80s and suffering ill health currently. I wish him a speedy recovery. So far, most of the new engine parts I have are those that were made to order. The crankshaft from Farndon, bearings and seals to suit, conrods from Robson Engineering. Rest assured there is a full set of 6. Camshaft, a fast road version courtesy of Newman Cams. I also have a new timing chain, a reconditioned clutch, some modern air filter elements for my carburettor upgrade, and the second-hand carb bodies to increase the size. All of my time has been concentrated on the new AC spares business recently. Here's a test fit of a new screen outer seal, a hairdryer to warm it to bend it easily around the corners. I'm pleased to report that the new bonnet rubber arrived. I commissioned new tooling and bought enough for 38 ACs. Here's the rock solid remains of the 1949 original. A quick loose test fit shows how nice and snug it fits. Customers are giving feedback on the best way to fasten this down. They were originally pinned down to the plywood bulkhead with copper escutcheon pins at 2-inch intervals. I think that's too many, and there's the risk of water going down the pinholes. I'm thinking of using very small stainless wood screws. Sealant or adhesive won't work well on its own, since the seal tends to distort around the corners. The rubber is made from EPDM synthetic rubber, which lasts much longer than the modern version of natural rubber. I have to admit I'm enjoying the new business venture. I already corresponded with a few AC owners to keep up to date on their cars. I'm on a lifelong mission to save the species AC 2 Litre, and I'm happy to give advice when I can. I also appreciate the advice I receive, which I can then spread to other owners. If the engine gets delayed much more, I will have to reorganise the restoration schedule again. I need to electroplate a few more of the smaller components. In spring I'll try and resume coach painting. I might also find out the cost of upholstery restoration. The radiator needs to be re-cored and upgraded. A new exhaust system has to be custom made. All of this has to be funded, hence the priority on the business. That's all for now. Wishing all my viewers a happy Christmas and hoping that 2025 lives up to your hopes and expectations. Thanks for watching.